Big Mouth Records, London City, 2017. Yeah, always puffin' on that green, reaching deep inside my thoughts. Always covered up with steam, see if you can find the spot. Coughing off a lot of weed, sleeping until 5 o'clock. Hope to be the dopest, but I gotta go and find a job. I'm floating, coasting, smoking like the 9 is hot. Roasted, slow cooking, posted up inside a twat. I'm focused, but I'm going through another fucking writer's block. Rolling through my city, burning rubber till the tires hot. Stressing on it daily, but it's different from the common shit. I promise this, y'all know what I call a bitch. I'm here to find the kids, ain't got time for nothing else. I'm doing it just fine, I don't need no fucking help. Plan to go to heaven, but accepted that I'm stuck in hell. Ain't no going back, and it's a factor from another realm. I had a little boy, I got a couple now. Never gained an education, wonder how my mother felt. I made some drastic changes, jumping to many levels. I turned to hip-hop, from drum and heavy metal. It's London town, hear the thunder from the underground. Puffin' cloud, all you do is talk shit and run your mouth. Keep your fucking distance, but never lose sight of us. Creeping in the system, keep it heated like a fire does. Light it up, couldn't put the flame out with a fire truck. Odds are all against you, but you always gotta try your luck. Anything that's standing in my way, I'ma handle it. And looking like your next ride home is in an ambulance. Well, I'ma keep on joking and smoking up on this cannabis. Y'all know what the answer is, what I cause is cancerous. All this commotion has exploded like an atom bomb. Shit ain't never stick together like my dad and mom. I wanna say I made it famous and I have it all. From being raised in the hood playing basketball. It's Big Mouth up in this bitch and it's meant to be. You know we blowing up in smoke like a century. I hold it down for the crowd standing next to me. You see the way the realest kill it. Hope you fuckers rest in peace. Rest in peace. You fuckers rest in peace. Rest in peace. You fuckers rest in peace.